very good. So how long it took me? 15 minutes, right?
Yeah, something like that.
So it's not that good. Что ты снимаешь, чудо? Покажи мой apron.
I need to clean the scales off the head.
Mama Wellner's gonna see this.
She's gonna be proud.
Does she do this also?
Are you kidding me? No way.
I always knew I had a talent in photography. Now I know why.
Why? I always knew I was brave. Now I know why.
Why?
So I could cut fish for my family.
Must have had so much fun swimming.
My wife's gonna have so much fun when her husband thanks her for all this.
What?
My wife's gonna have so much fun when her husband thanks her for this.
And what?
Her husband thanks her for this.
Look at me.
It's
Have you
really
finished?
pretty over here now. Look at it.